So we have some Pedialytes, we have some pizza, and the bottom we have some eggs, chicken salad, lettuce, burritos, cookie dough, hot dog, crystal bargles, bacon. I forgot what that is right there. We got some Sunny D. We got some Golden Goods. We got some chicken nuggets in the back. Got some milk, some Kool-Aid, and we got some more Sunny D. Okay, we got heavy whipping cream, cheese. What's this? Cinnamon roll, sour cream, this, cheese, butter, more cheese. These rings. What is this? Chicken strips. And that's not it. And have some of this chicken broth that and clove.